Hello everyone, this is the IQ Trend channel, and I think I've found the best way for traders to practice. What is it? It's a service, a game, let's say, an educational one for traders, where let me show you. You draw what you think will happen on the chart. Let's say, I don't know, a reaction started. Well, let's go with growth, then a drop here. Growth, drop. We guessed 66.7% correctly, as you can see. They also draw hints for us here, where we were right, where we were wrong, and all that. So we're basically practicing like this all the time. And what's the beauty of all this? It's just that if I were actually doing some kind of backtest, right, on a chart, I would go in and then go through, I don't know, maybe dozens or even hundreds of different trading situations. It would probably take me, honestly, I don't even know how long it would take. But it would definitely be quite a while. Looks like I missed it here. Anyway, it would most likely take me a lot of time. Why? Because even if I trade on a 5-minute time frame, here, by the way, it's just perfect. Look, 75%. If I trade on a 5-minute time frame, then it takes me, most likely, about 30 minutes to work through my setup. Yeah, like 20 minutes, 30 minutes, sometimes an hour. But that's just one setup. Here, in how long? In about 10 minutes, we can go through hundreds of situations. Well, dozens for sure. Like, you can definitely go through 50 situations in 10 minutes. Let's see, we have a level here, we reached the level, broke through it. Retest. Wait though. No, there's a reaction here. Well, let's assume the price will go down. That's it. We're practicing, just practicing, not risking our own money. It's just a regular trading practice, let's say. At the same time, there's also ranked, by the way, so you can compete with other people. We have 65 people playing already, 66, and some are quite a bit higher than me, as you can see. How is the rating different? Here we have a timer, 23 seconds, as you can see. And if I, for example, guess right or not, let's see. If I didn't guess right, my rating goes down. As you can see, I have 657 ELO. Moving on, I already have 647 ELO. And that's how we earn rating. If I keep making mistakes, my rating will drop and I'll fall lower in this leaderboard accordingly. If I get everything right, draw correctly, then I'll be growing constantly. And I really like this competitive effect. There are also achievements here, so you can see what rewards we've received, right? Also, you can share your profile here. Oh, I forgot, another cool thing. When we play, let's take a look. Let's do this and that. There was probably growth after that, I hope. Anyway, here you can share your result or send a challenge to your friend. You copy the link, send it to him, and he goes through the same chart, this one that you went through. It'll show him later what your percentage was and what his percentage will be. So that's how you can compete with your friends. And what's another plus here? You trade here, absolutely, without any indicators. Just analyze the price action and then understand how the price will move. Personally, I usually, by the way, trade using the IQ Trend indicator. It gives very high quality signals. This is, by the way, gold 5-minute chart. It also works on cryptocurrency, on indices, everywhere. Plus, there are many settings there, so you can give it a try. The link will be in the description. Just take a look at these signals. Sell signal, we have a drop of 0.65%. For gold, that's a whole lot. That's all for now. The link to the IQ Trend indicator and also to this service will be in the description or in the pinned comment. Thank you so much for watching. IQ Trend channel. Bye.